In the previous program, we completed swapping of two numbers without using third variable and by using star and division. Now let's complete this by using addition and subtraction. Now a plus b. What will happen with a plus b? 10 plus 30, that is equal to 40, right? Now b equal to a minus b. When we write b equal to a minus b statement, what will happen? These are basic steps in programming to understand how assignment will take place, how different operations will work in, basic operations will work in C programming language. Program by program, your skills of writing program, your abilities of writing programs will go higher and higher. Okay. Now b equal to, already a value is updated as 40 and we know that b value is 30 before updation. Okay. Now we got 10 as b value. Okay. Before swapping they were 10 and 30. Now a value, b value updated as 10. Now a equal to a minus b. Now we already have 40 here for a and updated value of b is 10. Now we got 30 as result. A equal to 30, b equal to 10. We will be printing them like after swapping. A value and b value will be printed in place of percentile d. In first percentile d, a will be replaced. In second percentile d place, b will be replaced. And we can easily execute this program. Let's see how to execute these programs. First program in swapping of numbers without third variable and the second program. Both will be executed one after another. Now you can clearly see we are using addition and subtraction. Enter AB values. I'm entering 10 and 30. After swapping, they are changed. Right. Previous operation like A star B, A by B, and again A by B. So here also only this part will change, right? So this will give result as 300, 300 by 30, that is 10. And here also 300 by 10, that is equal to 30. A value will be 30 and B value will be 10. Here we get value. What is the value we get? 300. Here, what is the value that we get? 300 by, what is the value of B? B value is already given as 30. 300 by 30 equal to 10. Right? Here, already A is 300. Updated value of B is 10. 300 by 10, that is equal to 30. In this manner, we can go for swapping of two numbers by using these two methods. Thank you.